Hello guys and welcome back to another quick tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create a new homepage and assign it to become as the main page. So I just installed a new WordPress installation. I'm using Hostinger, so I just installed this one and here it is. Like I didn't add any page, any post, it's just clean. But I noticed when I visit the homepage, visit the site, I find this blog, like it's showing the post and that's it. I don't want that. I want to create another page that is customizable and I want to add my content in it and I want it to point to the main domain. So to do so, I'm gonna go to pages and we're gonna add a new page. So I'm gonna hit add page. Okay, I just added this one by default. Okay, so I'm just gonna call it home, or you can call it whatever you want. I'm gonna add some title. This is my first title. Hello, welcome to my website. And I'm gonna publish. Okay, there is this button, view page. I'm gonna click, open it in new tab. And as you see, this is the page that I just created. As you see, as in the link like above, you're gonna find the main domain /home. So this is the slug. I want this page to become the home page. So whenever I delete this home and I visit, I need to see the page that I just created. So in order to do so, we're gonna go back to the dashboard. So click on the W here. And then you're gonna find, go to setting and then select reading. And then we have in the first option, we have your homepage display. So we have two options, your latest posts, which is our current case, like our main page now is showing the latest posts. And there is this static page, which we're gonna choose. And then you're gonna select the homepage. So select home, this is the page that we just created. And then scroll down and click save changes. So right now let's test. So go to the top bar and click visit site. So right now, as you see, our homepage is set to the page that we just created. And like, as you see in the link below, we didn't add any slug, any extra parameters or another page. This is the main page. This is the homepage. Now we can edit our page. We can add anything that we want. We can add image, we can add a template, we can install anything. Okay, for example, I'm gonna add an image. I don't think I have an image, but okay, we can choose this one. Or even like we're using, like by default, when you install a new installation, WordPress installation, you have the theme, default WordPress theme installed. And this one, the page builder that we're using, this is the default page builder of WordPress. It's called Gutenberg and it has like its own templates you can choose. Like you can come here, like choose if you want pages, you can select from here and you're gonna find some templates that you can choose, like for this one, for example. And click this one. Like you can edit any part, you can like switch or replace all of the text, all of the images and keep it to become yours. So let's just like keep it as our template to see the changes and you can then later do your own and it becomes yours. So save, I'm gonna save. I'm gonna go back now to the dashboard and I'm gonna visit the site. And here it is. As you see, we have our homepage, a new homepage. It's ready, you can do your editing, etc. So that's it for today, for this quick tutorial. I hope this was helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you guys in the next video.